everybody, welcome back to Live Free and Tool On. My name is Brent, and today we are going to talk about the brand new Ryobi riding lawnmower, or just mower covers in general. We're not going to waste a lot of time because there's a lot to cover, not a lot of time to cover it in. Wait, that was a pretty good dad joke, right? Anyways, I'm going to pull it in. I'm going to show you the features of this, why it makes sense to have it, and if you really need it or you don't need it. First and foremost, it does actually fit the mowers themselves. And if we flip it inside out, you're going to see it has a heavy mill rubberized plastic coating on the inside. This is a heavy duty fabric, so it's not plastic, but it's an actual fabric on the outside. Yeah, it looks pretty good, but it's a very utilitarian thing to have. Now at the bottom, you're probably going to say, what does it have? It does have a drawstring, but we'll look at that in just a second. As we go over here, it actually has flaps, and if we pump that up or pull that up, you're going to see it does have a mesh right there and right here as well. And then it just has breathable pockets in there. It's going to let a lot of the heat out so you don't get a lot of those problems. Now if we go to the back, I'm going to try and pull this up so you can see it. There is a snap pocket right here, and that goes inside. You can stick your hand in there. You do have a handle up here so you can pull it. I'm going to snap this back before I forget. And then we do have another snap right here, and why is that important? Well, you can see there's your charging port right there. So you can stick your charger in there, and you got your charger. You can charge this while it is covered. Now, these do overlap, which is actually pretty nice. Kind of thoughtful, I suppose. But as we take a look around this, it looks pretty good. You got, oh, here's another opening over here, right? So there's another snap, so you can charge from over there. Let's see if we got any snaps over here. Nope, just on that side. So all in all, that's about it. It has some pretty heavy duty stitching, but with the rubberized coating, the fabric on the outside, it looks pretty good. It is waterproof. It does have a drawstring at the back of it, so you can cinch it up around the bottom. Actually, let's check that out. So if I pull the drawstring, all right, so the drawstring is tight. I try to pull it off. It's actually pretty hard to come off, which means for everybody that's going to keep this outside, you need a cover. And you do need a cover for this if you put it outside, because you cannot leave these electric lawnmowers in the elements not protected. They're not waterproof. You can get water into some places you really don't want to. So you got to make sure that you protect it with a cover like this. With it not being able to come off, especially in some high wind situations, it can be fairly confident. Actually, you can be pretty confident that it's going to be okay. And you're going to be just fine. I don't see any big downfalls. It's a lawnmower cover. It's a pretty nice lawnmower cover, I will say that. And I would hope so, because these lawnmowers are expensive. So it's pretty good for Ryobi to come out with this. So everybody, I hope that this was helpful if you are in the market for one of these covers. They are $99. You got to buy them from the Home Depot. And you can go pick them up right now because they are on the market. You can do the push mowers. You can do the riding tractor and the zero turns. They have them for the 48 volts as well. I saw those on there. So you're getting pretty good solution for all of these needs. Like I said, I hope that it was helpful. Please tune back into the next video, and I can't wait to see you then. Until next time, take care, everybody. Bye now.